Welcome to this room tour today. We're gonna take a room tour of Blique by Nobis in Stockholm. And there's a little special thing about this room, but wait and see.
Well, welcome to Blique by Nobis. We're gonna see a little room today. There's one double bed, not even a queen bed. Let's go through the things in the room first and then take an overview. There's a trash can. There is a place to hang your coats, a shoehorn, some bed lighting for cameras, some more hangers, some do not disturb, please help, and so on signs. A little brochure, how to act like a local, and that's easy, just speak Swedish. An outlet. Some drawers. You can see the drawers cannot be fully open because of the chair. The chair can be moved. One of the chairs, we have a laundry service. And please remember, that will cost extra to use that. There is an empty drawer. And down here we have an ironing. I haven't seen an ironing board, but there is an iron. And of course the safe. And the safe is empty, unfortunately. Then there is a chair. This is actually the only workspace in this hotel room, so if you're coming here and was planning on doing some work, it's not a very good place to do that. There's a little bitty table by the bed. The one side has a phone, remote control, some lamps, some more lights, some air conditioning, the bed. There are some different one here to turn on and off light, and some plugs. Then there's the bed. Yeah, soft bed, but it's okay. If we just drive here, yeah, but very soft bed. So if you're not into soft bed, it's not a good room for you. On the other side, we also have a little dish. Nothing on that. Some lamps, and again some lightning, not lightning, but some light fixtures. We have a little something over here, just for the fun of it. I think you can take some hangers and use this for hangers. There's a little thing to put your luggage on. Then again, there's the bed. There's a TV with lots of information on what you can do. And there was the ironing board behind this mirror. And please remember, man in the mirror, not included. We have a temperature control over the counter. And behind door number 1, and the only door, is the bathroom. And the bathroom has a mirror. Man in the mirror, not included. There are some towels. There are a sink, fancy sink, and some soap and body lotion. There are some more lights. Maybe we can try to put that on. Oh, the camera wasn't happy for that either. A toilet, nice to have. Hair dryer, some more towels, and a shower. Standard Swedish shower. We have some hair conditioner, some hair shampoo, and some body wash. Standard Swedish shower, as I told you. There is a rain shower and a one you can hold in your hand. Just a little one. And that's about that. There's also a little trash can down here, some glass, and an outlet. And yeah, that was that. Now what are we missing that we usually do? We look out the window, but there are no windows in this hotel room. So what will that mean? That'll mean that I won't get back showing you the night view in the last part of the video like I don't do. So this is it. One hotel room, no windows, in Stockholm. And it's actually not even downtown Stockholm. It is in Stockholm. It's about a half hour walk from Stockholm downtown central station. You could take the metro, you could take a bus, you could take a scooter and be here for around 11 minutes. But today was nice weather, so we took a little walk.
Well, that was my first time in a hotel room without a window. Actually, it was okay. And it was a little funny not to have a window, but it's a quiet hotel. There's a good breakfast, and there's a rooftop bar if you would like to have something to drink before you go to bed. You can also get food at the rooftop bar, so there's no need actually to leave the hotel for food, but otherwise there are food in the vicinity of the hotel. And it's not so long for a metro, so you can use the hotel to go to downtown Stockholm. Thank you for joining us on this room tour, and I'll see you next time.